Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to tell about a hidden trick inside my car. Is that when I unlock this car, the car is unlocked, and after a few minutes, this car will automatically lock. That I will show you. So you can see that lock, guys. It will automatically lock after a few seconds. If nobody is responding, it will automatically lock. If I am not responding, so it will automatically lock after a few minutes. Yes, now it's locked. So it's a feature because sometimes some owner will forgot to lock their cars and they will unlock and go. This feature is handful for them because once we unlock our car and we forget to lock, this feature is a handful feature because it will automatically lock our car. So it's a good thing because uh, uh, in order to prevent some thieves or some uh, problems inside our car, such as some person will take our things out and etc. This is a very handful feature because once we unlock our car and automatically this door locks. It's a handful feature because sometimes if we keep our car unlocked, some thieves will take our things out from our car, or sometimes our car will be stolen out. There are many problems such as I heard in news and all. Thieves will take our car when the car is unlocked. So it's a very handful feature, guys. It's a very handful feature. Hands off to Mardi for providing this.